Hello everyone, in this video I am going to provide you some extra questions for practice. So I will be providing you chapter 1 real numbers MCQ questions. So there will be a 20 mark full MCQ question. Then there will be a subjective questions for the same chapter real numbers. Then after that I will be providing you the MCQ questions of second chapter which is polynomials, and then the subjective questions of the same chapter polynomials, and then one more question paper where there will be questions from both real numbers and polynomials. So these all the questions which I'm going to provide you, that is very important concept based questions which you can refer once you are done with the chapter. You can solve these questions for practice. Okay, so I'm just showing you a glimpse of the question. So these are the MCQ questions. Okay, now next I will be showing you the subject. So these are the subjective questions. So the main purpose of showing this question, those who want, they can send me a mail, and after that only I'm going to provide you, and it will be chargeable also. So at the end I'm going to show you what will be the charge for that. So this is the first chapter, subjective questions. Now I will show you the question which is based on polynomials, both MCQ as well as subjective. So these are the polynomials MCQ questions, and when you solve these questions, you will find out each questions are unique, and I have given a lot of time in getting these type of questions. Okay, so these are the polynomials MCQ question. Now next I will show you the polynomials subjective questions. So these are polynomial subjective questions, and these questions is having case study question also, and all the questions are very good important question which may come in the coming exam. Okay, so these are the subjective questions of the chapter polynomials. So these are the questions from both the chapters real numbers and polynomials, and as I have already told, if those who want to get these PDF, so it will be a small amount which you have to pay for it. So those who want, kindly send me a mail. I'm going to show you the mail ID where you have to mail it to me. So those who want the PDF of those question paper, you have to send a mail here. I've given the mail ID, and the amount which you have to pay is 75 rupees. And these are the questions which will be covered. And if you see, my all the questions will have so many concept based questions. And those who want the answer key also, that also I can provide, but for that you have to pay some extra money. Okay, that once, if you want, you just send a mail to me, then I will let you know how much amount more you have to pay to get the answer key.